Here we have an Alfa Romeo Giulia, and it's a special edition one. What we've done, we've fitted a Pandora Smart Pro, which is a Category 1 thatch improved alarm and immobiliser. So have a look at this car, absolutely stunning. It's the quick one. I believe the engine's been developed by Ferrari, and I think it's something like 520 brake horsepower. It might be slightly out with the brake horsepower, but it's not far off. But it's absolutely stunning. It's a racing edition. All the livery that's on it is done by Alfa, so it's not like the customer's done it. It's just how it comes out the factory. So you'd have a look at this car properly in a bit after the introduction of the alarm system. So it has a keyless system. So that's its key, and it's completely keyless. Now, Alfa has a real weak spot. So if they can't actually clone the keys, what they do, they go into the radar, and this is well known, pop the radar out and actually interface into that and disarm the factory alarm system and the immobiliser and get it started that way. So it's pretty much throughout the Alfa range that they have this weakness. So an additional security, whatever it might be, is really necessary. This customer opted for the Pandora Smart Pro. So what it does, it basically protects the vehicle in the sense that you have to carry the unique tag that comes with the Pandora alarm system, and without that you cannot disarm the alarm system and you cannot get it started, so the immobiliser is kicked in. So it doesn't matter what methods they use to try to get into it, they're not going to be able to disarm that system, and they're not going to be able to get it started, which is what you really want. But the addition to that, it gives you remote alert. So basically if the alarm triggers, they get alerted on their mobile phone that the alarm's been triggered. So it's either by phone call or by text. It's up to you. You as a user could set that up, and also you get an app alert on top of that. And the addition to that, it has built-in GPS tracking, and the tracking acts like a self-tracker system. So you could actually go back history, see journeys and what have you, but it gives you live location of where the vehicle is at the time. And also with the alarm triggers, it actually then gives you the live location at the point where your car is when the alarm's triggered, which hopefully you should know where it is anyway when that's happened. But so it's quite a comprehensive alarm system. So additional to it as well, you know, not only does it just protect all the doors, the boot and the bonnet, it also has a tilt sensor, it has a motion sensor, it has a shock sensor, it has a worn away shock sensor, and it has an interior sensor. So basically any intrusion into the vehicle, knocks or anything like that, if anyone tries jacking it up, it will trigger the alarm system off. And like I said before, because it's the Smart Pro, it will actually send an alert straight to the customer or the owner when the alarm triggers. So pretty comprehensive. So let me show you. At the moment the tag is not present, so the alarm system cannot see the tag. So I'm going to just unlock it as I normally would do. That beep is the Alfa alarm system, but it's not the Pandora system, so it hasn't actually disarmed it. So now if I open it up, give it a few seconds, the alarm system is going to go off like so. So if you come around here, I just want to show you that I cannot get it started. So now if I try to start it, absolutely nothing. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go and get the tag. Right, so this is the tag, which is unique to Pandora. Now you don't have to do anything with it, it's just proximity. So as long as you've got it with you, you can now disarm the alarm system. So I've locked it up again, so now I'm going to unlock it. And then you heard the extra beeps, and that basically means that the Pandora system is now disarmed because it can see this. So if you come over here, and because I've got the tag, I can now start the car up. Like so. So I just demonstrate, without this tag, you cannot disarm the alarm system and you cannot get the vehicle started. So what methods they use, they won't be able to take it, which is the main point of it all. So with the actual alarm system, it comes with an app, as I mentioned earlier on, and I will show you this app. So there, it will show you the status of the vehicle. So if the alarm system is armed or disarmed, it'll actually show you if the doors are open or not open, So if the alarm triggers, it'll tell you exactly what's triggered the alarm system off. So it's not just a blanket alarm's gone off. It'll be like that door's opened, or the ignition went on, or it could be the one of the sensors, but it'll tell you what it is. You could go back on history and it shows you everything since the vehicle has gone live with the alarm system. So it gives you the whole history. And the other thing, which is quite a nice thing about it, is the mapping. So it just gives you the full location of where we are. And this is exactly where we are. And as you can see, we are in between Lidl's and Asda at Speedfields Park. Right, so you have a Bluetooth app as well as the online app. So this is the online app. The Bluetooth app, you have to be quite close to the vehicle, and you could only have that on one phone, so it's only Bluetooth range. The other one, you could be anywhere in the world. As long as you've got a mobile phone signal, you could actually basically log on to it. Now that is a unique login that you have, and you could have it on multiple phones, devices, on your computer. So it's not just restricted to the one phone. You could, like I said, you could even put it on your laptop or your computer, as long as you've got the login. Well, have a look around at this beautiful car. Honestly, it's very unique. I think there's only one of 25 of these ever made, so it is very, very unique. So yeah, have a look at this. It's one of my real favourite cars. This car's absolutely dripping with carbon fibre. Not what the customer's done, it's done by Alfa. The bonnet's carbon fibre, the roof's carbon fibre wing mirrors, all these bits are carbon fibre, absolutely dripping with it. Yeah, amazing, amazing car. So there you have it. This Alfa Romeo Giulia, which is the special edition version, and we installed the Pandora Smart Pro, which is a Category 1 thatch improved alarm and immobiliser.